Climb inside the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. This four-door, five-passenger truck is still under 75,000 miles. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, automatic dimming door mirrors, a tonneau cover, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, a roof rack, and seat memory. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.